Guess who finally got DStv? Me. Why did it take so long? Honestly, I was a bit hesitant about getting it in my home because I'm never really here. I'm always on the go. I'm gonna go get whatever I want. I'm gonna go get it. So I was like, okay, so I buy DStv, then when will I watch it? But turns out, with the DStv app, you can stay tuned to your favorite shows and your favorite documentaries, your favorite sporting events, wherever you may be. If you're watching this and you have DStv, I want you to grab your phone so that we can download this app together and see how easy it is to use. Let's go. Disclaimer. To access the DStv app, you need a decoder in your home because just to sign in, you will be asked for your smart card or customer number, and without a decoder, that would be a bit difficult, okay? So now that we have that understood, I want to show you how to maximize your screen time with the DStv app. To make this fun, count how many times in this video while I am speaking or laughing or exclaiming something, you hear the word app. Did you know that there's over 300 words in the English dictionary that start with the letters A, P, P?
You know APP.
Yeah, you know me. Step 1. Download the app. Go into the Google Play Store, the App Store, whichever you prefer, and then you'll be able to get this app on your tablet or on your phone, whichever device you want to take with you while you're moving. Guys, I know we have a ton of apps on our phones and you're wondering, Ivy, come on. It's only 52 MB. It will not consume too much real estate. And if you download it over Wi-Fi, it'll take you a pretty short time. Personally, it took me less than 2 minutes. Thereafter, it was as easy as signing in and following the instructions that the app is going to give you, okay? Okay. So you signed in, good. Let's set up a profile. So I love that this app allows you to set up more than one profile. I mean, let's divide and conquer. Let's call this Boss TV, and then you'll be able to see your profiles at the top of your application right there, together with a list of other items. But before we go there, I want to check out our home page. The home screen is basically showing all the shows that you can watch, what is coming to DStv soon, specific series. I love that. Let us see what we can see on live TV. Live TV basically means you can watch exactly what is playing live on DStv as well. This is absolutely perfect, especially if you're into sports. The app also has this beautiful segment called Catch Up. What happens on Catch Up? If you missed something on DStv or something on the live TV, you can catch up later at a time of your convenience. Let's click on a show here and see exactly what happens. You have two beautiful options here. One is to download that show over Wi-Fi, and the other is to add to your list to catch up again later. So we have a TV guide. Let me tell you what I love about this TV guide. It's customizable. What this means is that you're able to tailor your interface to access specific channel groups throughout the day. I love it. I hate to admit it, but sometimes I can be very forgetful. But the app allows you to use the remind function, which has access to your calendar, and you can set a reminder even for the full day if you have a show that you want to watch that evening. How awesome! That's what's up! Let's talk privacy. Okay, now that we're alone, let me tell you the thing about children and phones. They never do what you give them that phone to do. I have to applaud DStv app for their privacy settings. What they allow you to do is, once you allow your children to access the kids section on the DStv app, they can't leave. They can't leave until they put a pin that only you are aware about. My friends. Guys, this brings us to the end of our video. I'm so happy that you joined us today. Oh my goodness. If DStv, a company that has been around for over 25 years, tells you that they have some new technology, an app for you, you best believe that it's perfect, because from my experience today, I am fascinated. If I've not whet your appetite to download this application, I would be extremely appalled. Go to the Google Play Store, go to your App Store, download this app today and enjoy seamless streaming of your favorite shows on the go. Enjoy. Bye. the DStv app. Download this app together. To access the DStv app with the DStv app, you hear the word app. A-P-P.
You know it ain't PP.
Yeah, you know me. Download the app, or the App Store, whichever you prefer. You'll be able to get this app on your tablet, a ton of apps on our phone. A pretty short time, the instructions that the app is going to give you. Let's set up a profile. That this app allows you to set up more than one top of your application. Well, this is absolutely perfect. The app also has this beautiful called catch up. What happens on catch up? You can catch up later to catch up again. The app, no need to apply pressure. DStv app has everything for you. I have to upload DStv app. The kids section on the DStv app. So I'm so happy that you joined us today. An app. If I've not whet your appetite to download this application, I would be extremely appalled. Go to your app store, download this app today and enjoy seamless. That's what's up.